Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Bluesky. Bluesky is the ransomware that is able to completely ruin the files that the customers store on their hard drives. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack there are no troubles opening any file types. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data can be opened easily, without any complications. The good thing is that I'm using the test computer, so this video is the demonstration of what this ransomware does. Bluesky ransomware unfortunately may also attack real computers, real Windows computers, and pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their data and that this special Bluesky extension has been added to the files, to all the files, so it's not possible to use the data. The ransomware also places this ransom note onto the desktop. The ransom note is called decrypt files Bluesky. So let's see what happens, what it says. Well, I know in advance what the ransomware note would tell. It says that your important files have been encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom to get your files recovered. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing without getting your data recovered. First thing I recommend you to do is to check the task manager. You might find some suspicious processes that can be related to that ransomware. If you do find them, you need to terminate them to stop the further file encryption. Then I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your computer with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. But first of all, the program should update its anti-malware database, which should take at least several minutes. After the update of the anti-malware database is successfully accomplished, the program will begin scanning and researching your system. So you will see the summary of all the threats which were found during the scan. But once again, you need to wait some time until the scanning is completed. While this scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner, which is called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait until the scanning is over. As I said, at the end of the scan you'll see the information about the threats that were found. You'll be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your system. Based on that summary, some threats can be removed manually. However, I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected, to keep all your files under the protection by Combo Cleaner Premium.